Hey everyone. So go ahead and do the 3.13 baseline. Today we are talking about bullying. So yeah, without further ado, go ahead and get to the lesson. Um, the lesson objective is to learn the different types of bullying and how to stand up to it, and also the different people that are involved with bullying. So defining bullying. Bullying is repeated intimidation of a person, physically, verbally, or socially, uh, by one or more persons who are physically or socially more powerful. So, bullying includes sexual harassment, unwanted comments or actions of sexual nature repeating over time. And then cyberbullying, the use of the internet, cell phone, social media, etc., to harass, threaten, embarrass, or hurt another person. And yeah, we're gonna, as it says, we'll go over that in the next lesson. Um, so here are some statistics. Um, about 25% of students in grades 9 through 12 report being bullied. Nearly 56% of students have personally witnessed some type of bullying at school. So obviously those are pretty high statistics, and those are pretty concerning. If a fourth of students are reporting um, they have um, been bullied, and then you have over half of the student population reporting that they have witnessed some sort of bullying. So clearly this is a problem. Yeah, so this cropped kind of weirdly, so just bear with me, guys. But really, in bullying situations, we have three different people, and we'll go over all of these in more detail. But we have the aggressor, the person who engages in the bullying behavior, that's the actual bully themselves. The target, the person being bullied. Um, yeah, and then you say target rather than victim because victim implies helplessness. So then, yeah, obviously the target, the person being bullied. Bystander, someone who observes bullying um, and does nothing. And then an ally who stands up to the target for bullying. So those are the people. So tips for the target. First of all, name the behavior, call them out. Say, hey, you're bullying me. Um, Tell the perpetrator to stop, stop pushing me around, get help, talk to a friend, parent, whatever. Um, Hang out with friends because you're less likely to be bullied in groups. Join clubs and organizations to expand your social circle. Uh, Walk and out confident so that you don't give them a reason to bully you in the first place. Um, do not bring expensive possessions to school. That sometimes you're asking for trouble when you do that. Practice staying calm. If you feel safe, confront the bully in a non-threatening tone of voice. And we'll come back to that. Tips for bystanders and allies. It says so I'm gonna go back on it. Yeah, bystanders and allies pretty much lumped in. In the exit ticket, I think I named them as bystanders. That's fine, whatever. You can call it a bystander or an ally. Both are acceptable, and that'll make more sense later. But what if you're a person who's witnessing it? Distract, draw attention. Hey guys, let's go play some basketball. Report, find an adult, confront, talk to the aggressor, and stand up for the target. Um, in pretty much every single scenario, you should be reporting, bullying if you're seeing bullying. So whatever steps you take here, if you're distract or you're comforting or you're advocating, make sure you're not laughing at what the bully is saying to reinforce that behavior. But you're always going to want to report this stuff to an adult or to someone um, in most every case. So yeah, that is what are tips for that. Now, if you're the bully yourself, Emphasize with the target. How would you feel if someone did that to me? Identify why you need to feel like, what is the problem? Why do you feel like you have to put other people down? Is it to get your own sort of sense of self-worth, or there's all sorts of different social psychological reasons as to why bullying happens. Channel your leadership skills towards positive activities, and then use your time wisely to just do other things than bully people. Go play sports, go play video games, whatever. It's not worth your time or anyone's time to bully. So for the exit ticket, these are the scenarios I want you guys to focus on. And here's what the exit ticket looks like. So I just made up my own scenario here. But let's see. But you can choose from one of these. I want you guys to choose from one of these. So obviously, if you just like last time, you put the number here. I didn't do that. I just wrote it out because I just made up my own situation. So 1, 2, or 3 goes here, and then you say what type of person you are in the situation. So I am going to go ahead and make myself the bystander. I see a kid get knocked over by a group of older boys, and they break his Chromebook. So I'm the bystander or the ally, whichever way you want to look at it. I don't really care. So what do I do? I just need you guys. So then I want you guys to go back and reference the slideshow. So since I said I was a bystander, I would go here. But if you said you were a target, you'd go here. And if you were the aggressor, you'd go ahead and go there. Just like so. And then really, I just need you guys to choose one of these things and then talk about it a little bit. I put 2 because I did add the report part. But like, if you want to be a bystander and you don't put the report part in there, that's fine. I really only need 1. So I confront the situation. So obviously, if we're talking about confronting, anything you do, tell me kind of what you do and what you say. So I confront the situation. I just say leave him alone, and then I go ahead and report it to the school staff later. All right, because in this makeshift scenario, this made-up scenario, I said it happened at school. So that's what I want you guys to do. Pretty straightforward. Just pick your type of person and then reference the slideshow, which I will obviously upload with everything to complete the assignment. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and shoot me an email.